Next one is for questions 9 to 13. So, as you can see, we will be dealing with a table. Okay, so minsan hindi lang sila gumagamit ng pie chart, bar graph, okay, pero ang ibang lumalabas po na question ay, ang ine-examine natin ay mga table. Okay, so the following table shows the number of new employees added to different categories of employees in a company, and the number of employees from these categories who left the company every year since the foundation of the company in 1995. Okay, so we are these numbers are number of employees, and we have how many years from 1995 to 2000. Okay, I have here the managers, technicians, operators, accountants, and peons. Okay, so yung aking first column sa managers is the new ones, okay, yung mga bagong pasok. Tapos po sa second column po ay yung mga umalis, okay, umalis na employees, okay, from the year 1995 hanggang 2000. Okay, so mahalaga na kailangan intindihin muna natin yung table bago tayo mag-proceed sa pagsagot doon sa mga questions na kailangan nating sagutin. Okay, so let's start with question number 9. Okay, question number 9. Okay, what is the difference daw po between the total number of technicians added to the company and the total number of accountants added to the company during the years from 1996 to 2000. So basically, we are comparing the total number of employees doon sa technicians at saka total number of employees na mga accountants. Okay? So how do we answer this? How do we answer this question? Okay, we simply add. Okay, we simply add po yung ating number of employees, okay, from 1996, okay, yung mga bagong pasok, okay, sabi niya kasi dito, added to the company, okay. So, from 1996 hanggang 2000, okay, magsimula tayo sa 272 hanggang 288 sa technicians. Tapos sa ating accountants, magsimula tayo sa 200 hanggang sa 260. Okay, madali lang siyang sagutin. Ipag-add mo lang po itong lahat. Okay, and then i-add din po natin itong lahat. Pag nakuha natin yung sum nung both, okay, type of employees, we will just subtract. Okay, so because we are just looking for the difference. Okay, let's do it. So I have okay, this is for my technicians. Okay, so the difference is equal to, okay, I have 272 plus 240 plus 236 plus 256 plus 288. Okay? So, yun yung pinaka-last entry natin for 2000 minus, okay, the sum of our accountants. Okay, I have 200 plus 224. Ito po yun. Okay, plus 248 plus 272 plus 260. Okay, so simply this is the difference of the new employees, okay, new technicians, and the difference of the new accountants. So, kapag ipag-add ko po yun, ang makukuha kong sagot ay 88. Okay, you just add this one, and then get the difference. That will be the correct answer. And as we can see, our correct answer is letter D. Okay, so that is how we answer question number 9. Okay, next question. So for our next question, what was the total number of peons working in the company in the year 1999? Okay, so this is the year 1999. Ito po yung ating peons. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay ipag-add natin lahat. Okay, lahat nung ating bagong salta, okay, from 1995 hanggang 1999, ipag-a-add din po natin lahat yung mga umalis from 1995 hanggang 1999. And then we will get the correct answer by getting the difference of the employees nung mga bagong dumating and then yung umalis. Okay, so let's compute. So this is the total number. Okay, the total number po ay makukuha natin is equal to, okay, we get the sum of the total number of employees na dumating. Okay, so that is 820 plus 184 plus 152. Ito po. Ayan, ito yung ating focus. Okay, yan yung focus natin. Okay. 152 plus 196 plus 224. Okay? Tapos, ima-minus natin yung mga umalis para makuha natin yung total ng number ng employees natin sa year 1999. Okay? So, I have 96 plus 88 plus 80 plus 120. Okay? I'll get the sum. It will give me an answer which correspond to 1,192 employees. Okay, based from the choices, my correct answer is letter B. Okay? Okay, so next question. What is the pooled average of the total number of employees of all categories in the year 1997? Okay, so we need to examine the question first. Ang unang-una nating mapapansin ay ang hinahanap po niya ay pooled average. So, ibig sabihin, this is the grand mean. Okay? Ang hahanapin po natin ay yung grand mean, hindi lang po average or mean nung isang category, but lahat po ng category. Pangalawa na kailangan nating i-take note ay ang hinahanap po niya ay yung total number ng employees sa year 1997. So, hindi natin isasama yung mga employees sa 1998, 1999, at 2000. Okay? So, the solution or formula, the solution for this question is, hanapin po muna natin yung number of employees per category. Okay? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories. Okay, the number of employees na managers, technicians, operators, accountants, and peons. And then, we will get the mean of those categories. Okay, paano natin hahanapin yung mean? We will divide it by 5 because we have 5 categories. Okay, so let's start. Okay, mag-pen tayo. So, hanapin muna natin yung number of total employees natin sa managers, okay, from year 1997. So, what we will do, okay, we let M as your managers. What we will do is we will focus, okay, on these 3 numbers and these 3 numbers on the column of our managers. So, ipag-add natin yung new employees at yung mga employees na umalis para makuha natin yung numbers, okay, ng ating employees. Same formula with your technicians, operators, accountants, and peons. Okay? So, for my managers, ito yung aking ipag-add at ipag-subtract. Okay? Yeah. So, ilagay lang natin. I have 760, okay, plus 280 plus 179 minus yung mga umalis na employees. Okay, I have 120 plus 92. Okay, kapag napag-add ko po lahat yan, kukunin ko yung aking difference. That will give me 1007. Okay, you just compute it manually. Okay, for my technicians, okay, I will focus on this one. Okay, sa numbers na to. Okay. Ayan. So, I have my 1,200 plus 272 plus 240 minus 120 plus 128, and that will give me a difference of 1,464. Okay? For my operators, let O as your operators. That would be equal to, okay, ito yung ating ifo-focus na numbers. Okay, hanggang sa 1997. Ayan. Okay, so I have here my 880 plus 256 plus 240 minus, okay, my 104 plus 120. Okay, so my total number of employees na operators ay 1,152. Okay? For my accountants, okay, let A as your accountants. Okay? So, ang ating ifo-focus naman po ay ito. Okay po. That blue one. Okay, so I have 1,160. Okay. Plus 200 plus 224 minus 100 plus 104, and that would give me total number of employees, which is equal to 1,380. And for my last one, okay, which is the peons, okay, so ito po yung kanilang number of employees na bagong pasok. Ito naman po yung mga umalis. Ipag-subtract natin para makuha yung number of employees. Okay, so let that would be, it should be P. Okay, so I have 820 plus 184 plus 152 minus 96 plus 88. Okay, and that would give me an answer of 972. So that is the first step in arriving for our correct answer. Tapos kung kapag nakuha na natin yung number of employees per category, we will just add this. Okay, add the number of employees and then divided it by the number of categories na meron tayo, which is equal to 5. Okay, so the pooled average, okay, or our average will be 1,007 plus 1,464 plus 1,152 plus 1,380 plus 972 divided by 5. Okay, so I will add this manually. Okay, I will add this manually. This will give me 5,975, and then I divide it by 5. My average will be 1,195. Okay, so this will be your final answer. Okay, na final answer natin, hanapin sa ating choices. Okay, 1,195 nandito sa letter B. Okay, so our final answer for number 11, okay, the pooled average of the total number of employees for the categories in 1997 is 1,195. Number 12, during the period between 1995 and 2000, the total number of operators who left the company is what percent of total number of operators who joined the company? So this question focused on the year 1995 up to 2000. So halos lahat po ng numbers na to ay involved, but doon lang po tayo magpo-focus sa operators. Okay, so what is our first step in answering this question? We need to look for the total numbers of operators who left the company, okay, during 1995 to 2000. So ipag-add po natin 'yan. Okay, so that is the total operators. Okay, total operators from 1995 to 2000. So we just add this numbers. Okay, so that is 104 plus 120 plus 100 plus 112 plus 144, and that will give me 580. Next step is we need to get, the TOL, TO sub L for the symbol or ating representation para sa total operators po na umalis, sa kumpanya from 1995 to 2000. On the other hand, we need to, uh, compute for the total operators, number of operators na bago. Okay, yung nag-join doon sa company from 1995 to 2000. Okay? So that would be equal to, pag-add lang po natin, 880 plus, this one, 880 plus 256 plus 240 plus 208 plus 192 plus 248. That would give me a total of 2024. Okay? The 580 and 2024 is not the final answer. Okay? We need to get the percentage po, ng operators who left the company against the total number of operators who joined the company. So what we will do, we just divide po, divide the total numbers of operators who left over the total number of operators na pumasok noong 1995 to 2000, and then we multiply it by 100 to get the percentage. Okay, so the percentage is equal to 580 over 2024 times, 100. Okay, this is our percentage. So that would be equal to 28.66%, or approximately that is 29%. Okay, so this is our final answer. That is the percentage of operators who left the company, against the total number of operators who joined the company. So the answer is letter D. Okay, so the answer is letter D. Okay, question number 13. The table below shows the data Steve collected while watching birds for 1 week. How many raptors did Steve see on Monday? Okay, as we can see, this table has the different days. So, I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and meron yung mean. Okay, dito sa pinakadulong column. Dito sa number of raptors seen, blank po yung Monday, so yun yung ating hahanapin. So, how do we get the answer for this? So, ang meron lang tayo na detail is mean, pero alam din natin na yung number natin ng days ay 5. Okay, so paano ba natin makukuha yung total number of raptors na nakita niya? So simply we divide mean by 5. Okay, so that would be number of raptors. Okay, so that would be your mean, times 5. Okay, kasi meron tayong 5 araw. So, that would be 8 times 5. Ibig sabihin, yung number of raptors na nakita niya ay 40. Okay, so the total number of raptors na nakita po ni Steve ay 40. So, para makuha yung number natin na raptors na nakita nung Monday, we just need to add the number of raptors na nakita niya nung Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, at Friday. So, kapag ipag-a-add natin yon, yung 10 nun ay 7 plus 12 plus 11 plus 4. That would be 34. Okay, that would be 34. At alam natin na yung ating sum ng raptors na nakita ay 40. So, okay, the number of raptors na nakita nung Monday ay 40 minus 34. That would be 6 raptors. Okay, so the correct answer for this number is letter A, 6 raptors. Okay, so kung gusto nyong i-check, okay, ipag-add nyo lang po ito. Okay, that would give you a sum of 40. And then, para makuha yung mean, i-divide natin sa 5. At yung 40 divided by 5 ay equals to 8. So, ibig sabihin, tama po yung ating sagot.